Hey my loves, I ask that you join me in boycotting bleach. I'm just kidding. Hey guys, it's Ashley, and today we are going to be dyeing our hair red, but we really aren't going to be using bleach. So I am just putting Got to Be Glued from the yellow bottle on my UNice Peruvian Body Wave Frontal. I have 4 bundles of UNice Peruvian Body Wave hair. The specifications were just on the screen and they'll be in the description box down below. So I'm going to move my bundles aside and work on my 24-inch. So I actually used the colors Intense Red and Magenta by L'Oreal HiColor Highlights. This is how you dye dark hair a different color without having to use bleach and lifting the hair and then applying the color. This honestly took me maybe about an hour, maybe hour and 30 minutes. I'm being super generous, you guys. Like, this was a super easy process. I've never used these colors before, never used this brand before, but I was just like, I really want to dye my hair, but I do not want to go through the whole process of bleaching and then washing the bleach out and then using purple shampoo and then letting it dry and then applying the color. And no, I didn't feel like doing all that. So I actually took a page out of the Sophiology book and I decided to just dip my hair straight into the color itself and just work the color in using my gloves and using my little hair dye brush. So I had Magenta on one side and Intense Red on the other side. And I only got 2 boxes of Intense Red because I wanted to be like a magenta red, not a red magenta, if that makes any sense. So I'm literally taking the bundles of hair and dipping it into the bowl or taking color out of the bowl and putting it onto the hair and just really working it. And I got every strand coated, you guys. And this sped up the process so much. So if you're doing this, you can really just dip the bundles in, work it in with your gloves, work it in with your brush, and then move on to the next bundle. I'm telling you, it makes it super quick. So now I'm just taking this last bundle, and I did have what is that called? A trash bag. Okay, come on now, girl. Come on now, girl. I did have a trash bag laid out on the kitchen counter. I did do this on the kitchen counter. Sorry, Dad. And I will say that if you just use like alcohol, or if you use like, you know, the typical, you know, antibacterial disinfecting bleach that we usually use, like Clorox or anything like that, then this product will come right off the countertops. Back to the hair. I'm literally like massaging this red color into every possible strand of hair, and then I'm just going to let that sit for about an hour. I hopped in the shower and changed clothes, and then my stylist, Lace by Mo, came over. Hey girls, I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. I did put the Got to Be Glued, the yellow bottle, you can see it in the back there. I did put that on the frontal, but I was like, Mo, can you please color my frontal for me, because I don't want to mess this up. So adding the Got to Be Glue gel was her idea, is what she told me to do. Then you blow dry it until it gets tacky. Then you can add color to your frontal without it getting on the lace. In the meantime, I am washing my hair and I'm using the L'Oreal Color Vibrancy shampoo and conditioner. But yeah, back to this frontal. All you have to do is section the frontal. I know the bowl is in the way and you can't really see it, but it's super simple. You just section the frontal and you leave a little bit if you don't want the roots to be colored, which is what she was doing. And you really don't even have to use the foil strips because the Got to Be Glued makes it impossible for the colors to get on the lace. And that is it. It is really that simple. So the next video is how I got my wig installed. Until next time, stay beautiful. I love you guys. Bye.